Hey guys, this is Diamond from Diamond Shine Soap. Guys, I'm happy to see you today. Today we are going to be doing something very cool. If you guys have never subscribed to this channel, now is the perfect time to do so. Go ahead and hit that like button. Go ahead and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you do not miss the up and coming videos that will be coming to the channel. Okay? Alright, so listen guys, we're going to be doing some 2-ounce candle sample jars. If you have not added this to your website, let me tell you something. This is a very good money maker. It gives your customers an opportunity to purchase your products at a lower price in a little bit small of a quantity of product where they can be able to try it out and try as many as they like without buying the whole candle. Okay, so I already put my people in the Patreon onto this, guys. If you click the link in the description box, you will have access to the Patreon and also my website where I sell classes, e-courses and things like that, and also one-on-one coaching sessions where you can sit down with me, talk to me, and I give you everything you need to get started with your candle making business. Okay, all right, so grab your wax, guys. That's what I did. I'm moving ahead of you guys. Grab your wax and go ahead and melt it down. I have about 3 2-ounce jars, and you will just need to trim the wick in the jar. Guys, listen, make sure you keep those wicks and don't throw them away, because that's what I did in the beginning. I used to be throwing that stuff away. You can actually buy a pack of wick tabs and you can retab those same wicks again and you can use them. So you can actually have 2 wicks instead of 1 out of 1 wick. Okay, talk about saving money. So I'm just stirring in my fragrance. You know what, I just added my liquid color, not my fragrance yet. So I'm just stirring that in, and I just use like a bright yellow because I call my candles Hello Sunshine. Okay, so I just use like a bright yellow. And now what I'm doing is I'm grabbing my fragrance. Now when I do like test candles, typically I like to use coffee scents and stuff like that. The reason why is very easy for you to smell scents like coffee, winter wishes, I always just say that one, just very strong scents, vanilla, like birthday cake. You know, if you ever need like scents to test and to see if you're going to need a hot throw, those are your go-to scents. Okay, just want to stay away from things like mint and lavender and pineapple and coconut. You won't smell that in a candle. All right, so when it comes down to these particular jars, I do like selling them. Normally when I go to a pop-up shop, because people always ask me these questions, so I only have a few minutes to talk to you guys. I want to take advantage of it. Whenever I go to a pop-up shop, I normally sell these jars for like maybe like 2 for $5 or $5 each. And the reason why I may sell them 2 for $5 is because giving people an opportunity to try out a candle. You know, try it out, see if you like that smell, because they more than likely will use that 2-ounce and they're coming back for the bigger one. So guys, don't consider it a loss if you have people who always shop your website and they're buying candles all the time. Don't look at it as, oh, I don't want to give nothing away. You know, give away that 2-ounce jar, because they're going to come back for that scent if it's a very popular scent. Now, I do have a lot of popular scents. I love Northwood Candle Supply. I got a spring pack from them, so I just been using my stuff from Northwood. I've been on my Northwood, okay? All right, so I have my wicks all trimmed, so I'm going to go ahead and pour it into my jar. So I have my wax and my fragrance. Of course, guys, if you want to know your fragrance load, what size wick to use, how to wick your candles, make sure you go in the description box. There's so much information in there for the new candle maker, okay? So I'm just moving my wick over, but guys, it does no good to really move them. I normally wait till they solidify. I move them and then I just hit them with the heat gun slightly. I don't do too much of hitting a candle with a heat gun because you will burn off the fragrance on the top layer. So you just need to be very careful with that. When I first started making candles, I've seen a lot of people making that mistake. All right, so guys, inside of the description box, I am going to have a candle maker starter kit ebook in there. Okay, you want to get that book just so you'll be able to learn exactly what you need. I share vendors, so where you get your wax, I compare waxes, where you get your fragrance from, you know, just pretty much your candle making supplies. So you don't have to run around on YouTube trying to find people for free that's making candles that's normally jacked up, okay? I'll say this, if you can look at these people and they look like they know what they're doing, just order a candle from them. Get that candle and see if you can smell it when you get in their house. I guarantee you can't smell it. I'm just being real. Well, anyway, guys, I'm going to let this fully solidify and then you guys will see the final result. Like I said, go in the description box. Everything you need is there. It was so good sitting down with you guys. I will see you guys again for the next candle making video. All right. So these are my final candles. They look very professional. I love the labels. I used a circle label on the top, designed that, and also a label that would wrap around the entire candle. All right, guys, I'll see you again soon. All right.